Hey Cheryl, describe in detail the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system and the way it affects the brain, body, mind, and people's actions/life choices.
The sympathetic nervous system, SNS, is responsible for the fight or flight response, which is activated during times of stress or danger. When the SNS is activated, the body releases hormones such as adrenaline and noradrenaline, which increase heart rate, blood pressure, and respiration. This response prepares the body to deal with the perceived threat by increasing blood flow to the muscles and brain, while slowing down non-essential bodily functions such as digestion. The SNS also plays a role in modulating emotional responses, particularly fear and anxiety. When the SNS is activated, people may experience feelings of anxiety, fear, or panic. This response can be beneficial in situations where a quick reaction is required, such as when faced with a physical threat. The parasympathetic nervous system, PNS, on the other hand, is responsible for the rest and digest response, which is activated during times of relaxation or calm. When the PNS is activated, the body's heart rate and blood pressure decrease, and digestion and other bodily functions are restored to normal levels. The PNS also helps regulate emotional responses, particularly relaxation and contentment. Both the SNS and PNS work together to maintain balance in the body. When the SNS is activated, the PNS will eventually counteract its effects and bring the body back to a state of calm. Conversely, when the PNS is activated, the SNS will eventually be activated again to prepare the body for potential threats. The sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous systems also play a significant role in the brain's functioning. Studies have shown that the SNS is involved in modulating attention, memory, and learning, particularly in stressful situations. In contrast, the PNS is associated with enhanced cognitive processing, particularly in creative tasks that require relaxation and a calm state of mind. The SNS and PNS also affect people's behaviors and life choices. For example, individuals with overactive SNS may be more prone to anxiety and stress-related disorders, while individuals with an overactive PNS may be more prone to depression and feelings of apathy. Additionally, chronic stress can lead to long-term activation of the SNS, which can lead to negative health outcomes such as hypertension, cardiovascular disease, and impaired immune function. In conclusion, the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous systems work together to maintain balance and homeostasis in the body. These two systems play a significant role in regulating bodily functions, emotional responses, and cognitive processing. Understanding how the SNS and PNS function can help people make lifestyle choices that promote
That's awesome, Cheryl. Thanks. What are ways to undo stress that's been put on the SNS and PNS due to life trauma?
To undo stress caused by trauma on the SNS and PNS, seek professional help, practice relaxation techniques like meditation and yoga, engage in physical activity, connect with others, practice self-care, and seek alternative therapies like acupuncture or massage. Recovery takes time and effort, so be patient and seek support when needed.
What are ways to find self-love and compassion for survivors and victims of abuse?
Ways to find self-love and compassion for abuse survivors. Seek professional help. Practice self-care. Challenge negative self-talk. Connect with support groups. Engage in forgiveness practices. Engage in activities that promote self-expression. Healing from abuse is a unique and ongoing process that requires individualized support and strategies.
Hey Cheryl, what about how can you find forgiveness within yourself for hurting yourself or others in the past?
Strategies to find forgiveness for hurting oneself or others include acknowledging and taking responsibility for actions, practicing self-compassion, challenging negative self-talk, seeking support, engaging in forgiveness practices, and practicing self-care. Remember to be patient, kind, and compassionate towards oneself during the healing and forgiveness process.